हांव जाणा सगळ्यांक प्राइज मेळना, but I think a lot of people will get prizes this year. We have extended the prizes, the numbers of prizes also. It is not only prizes, it is presentation of lamps from across the boundaries of villages. It is so many villages in the state of Goa. All the panchayats of Goa, सगळी जाणां हिंगा भाग घेवपाक येयल्लो आहा. हांव खऱ्यांनीच कावजानसून तुमकां मान बागोवन तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा की तुमी ह्या फेस्टिवलाक एव्हरी इयर पार्टिसिपेट करता. आनी ह्या फावटी जेन्ना वी ऑल स्पोक, आवर पंचायत, Daniel Lobo, Sarpanch, spoke to the Honorable Governor, His Excellency. He was convinced. He was wondering like so many Akash Kandils, how they come into the state at one place. So we told them it is 10th edition, and so many people have come to know that Akash Kandils have to be made homemade and brought over here for presentation, and there are prizes also. But it is bringing people together. It is uniting people together of different religions, of different castes. There is nothing. We are all humans. It is only to bring people together. These festivals are part of bringing people together, to unite people, to mix around people. There is no division in the name of caste and religion. This is the message which we are sending from this village of Parra to the entire people of Goa, to the people of India and across the world.
It seems once a guru asked his disciples, when do you come to know that darkness is gone and light has dawned? Among many answers given by the disciples, there was one disciple who gave very inspiring answer. He said, when you treat the other as your own brother and sister, when you live in peace, harmony and love, that is the time darkness is gone and light has dawned. The teachings of the church says that in all religions there is goodness, and we need to appreciate and respect this goodness. In Hindu religion, among many other good things, this festival of Diwali, is something that is very beautiful and teaches a lot to us. In northern part of India, our Hindus recall during the Diwali, their Lord Rama entering or coming after defeating Ravana, and people preparing the pathway, the road, by making earthen lamps, lighting earthen lamps, light everywhere on the road to welcome Lord Rama after defeating Ravana. In the southern part of India, our Hindu brethren, they recall during the feast of Diwali, their Lord Krishna defeating Narkasura. Deepavali is all about the defeat of evil and the triumph, the victory of good.
Akash Kandil, of course, a wonderful idea. First time I heard from our Daniel Lobo, who invited first time for this program. Then when I reached here, what is Michael Lobo stated is a very important thing for the unity of the people of India. These types of festivals are, of course, its result will be the mind of the peoples of India, whether they are from Hindi area, Kerala area, Tamil Nadu area, Goa. For the unity, this is an inspirational, artistic and cultural and other type of guaranteeing factor according to me. I asked all these participants in this festival. Of course, the object is very much known to us. Light. What is the meaning of the word Bharat? Bha. in Sanskrit and all other languages. Bharat means Ba, it indicates light. And Rach means Redi. That means whenever you are witnessing, seeing a light, you are happy. That is a concept. Of course, missionaries came to India also, realized this thing, and that is why in India, most of the languages, in my language, Malayalam, the first dictionary, first grammar book, first school, first education institution was contributed by those people. Of course, they spread their message. Every Christian is bound to spread the message of Jesus. And what is the concept of Jesus is also propagated through Indianness, also inculcated in their activities. And that is why here I asked certain people with a view to know the fact whether belongs to a particular community or other community. But I realized that in Parra, this wonderful function, people from all walks of life, they are cooperated, united. The combination of the mind of these people would lead our country, our India, become the best country in the world. For that purpose, the contribution of Goa, especially this festival and this function, I hope we will be able to get good results. I asked certain people how much time you took for this, your own Kandil, Akash Kandil. And reply is that 1 month, 2 months, or 2 weeks. So the participation of the people for the festival, and our Michael Lobo and his team is able to call all of them for their collection of the cluster of the people engaged in that process. And that is why I would like to say this is a classic example for the entire nation, our Bharat Mata, entire nation. And this may not be confined to this area alone, spread to the other parts of the country, and through that process, through art, festival, literature, we can guarantee our country's growth. And our country is now every day we are coming up and forwarding in our run to become the first country in the world, not to conquer anybody. That is not our tradition. But Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam, all people, whether Hindu, Muslim, Christian, or whatever may be, whether Malayali, Tamil, or Hindi speaking patients, we can together try for the development of our country.
His Excellency Shri P.S. Sridharan Pillai, Governor of Goa, on this auspicious occasion of Diwali and during the world's biggest 10th All Goa Akash Kandil competition, the Parra Citizens Forum Association, along with the village panchayat of Parra, is honored to felicitate His Excellency Shri P.S. Sridharan Pillai, the esteemed Governor of Goa. Your Excellency, your profound contributions to Goa have left an indelible mark on its cultural and intellectual landscape. Your prolific literary career and unwavering dedication to preserving Goa's heritage are exemplary. Your insightful works such as Heavenly Islands of Goa and Heritage Trees of Goa have enriched our understanding of Goa's natural beauty and cultural diversity. Beyond your literary pursuits, Your Excellency has tirelessly worked to improve the lives of Goans, especially the underprivileged, showcasing true commitment to providing quality healthcare, particularly in rural Goa. These efforts have significantly enhanced the well-being of countless individuals. Your Excellency's dedication to understanding the pulse of the common man is evident in your effort to visit every village across the state, becoming the first governor in India's history to do so, connecting with the masses, providing financial assistance to cancer and dialysis patients under the governor's discretionary funds. This unparalleled feat has fostered a strong connection with the people of Goa. Your exceptional vision for our country, India, and our state, Goa, will forever be etched in history through more than 200 books that you have authored.
Sir, P.S. Sridharan Pillai ji, for coming all the way, and his Mrs. Madam Pillai ji, coming all the way and gracing our occasion. As said by Kalangut MLA, the very first governor I have seen who has not only gone to the ends of Goa, but all the people who have, everyone who has applied under his fund, for everyone who was suffering from cancer and kidney patients, they had applied to him, and he has given checks. I remember coming to every panchayat, he has given checks, and so many checks throughout Goa. म्हळ्यार आमच्या गोंयकाराचे खावजाक लागलो पळय तो खूब जाण गव्हर्नर येयले गेले ते फंड्स कोणे यूज केले आमकां खबर ना आमकां वी आर नॉट बट फर्स्ट गव्हर्नर ऑफ हिज काइंड काही जाल्लो आनी कोहे जेन्ना खरेंच देवाचे देणे आसूंक जाय तांकां दुसऱ्याचे त्रास समजपाक and people with kidney dialysis and cancer patients have been given checks. I am really thankful to you, and may the Lord shower His countless blessings on you, your family, to carry on the good work what you are doing. It's not work, it's service to mankind. So 10 glorious years. पहिले चोरस आम्ही चालू केले आमचे शाळेकडे कितले आले रे बाबा 37च आले आकाश कंदील आणि आईच्या दिसा आमच्या मोर दॅन 5,000 आहात हांगा आकाश कंदील ऑल आमचे पार्रा सिटीजन फोरम आमचो बाबा एडविन आणि बाबा आमचो आना आणि शिवराम आणि एव्हरी वन देर आर अराउंड 200 volunteers all from Parra, everyone from advocate, everyone. He is a professor in St. Xavier's College. Everyone, why they work, they don't work. It is a matter of pride for them. आमच्या पर्रा गावान that a thing like this is happening. आख्या जगान म्हाका दिसता एक कोणे इतले आकाश कंदील हुंयत आसचे ना. You won't find so many Akash Kandils at one place anywhere else in the world. I believe so. We had actually planned to go in Limca, Kuku, Apricots and all, but we have absolutely, we fall short of time or sometimes like that. But we planned for this event, months and days in advance.